Good morning everyone. Today our topic is multiplication and division. So first we will do multiplication, and here I will explain multiplication of decimals by some examples. And we will consider three cases for multiplication. Case 1 by whole number, then decimal number, then 10, 100 and thousands. So multiplication by case 1 whole number, multiplication by whole number. So here example, this example 2.5 into 4. So this is the decimal number 2.5 into 4, and here how to multiply it? We have to just multiply this digits by 4. 4 into 5, 20, and 2 in and 10. First we have to multiply these digits, and then we have to see before how many digits, from right side before how many digits there is point. There is the decimal point is before one digit, so here also we have to put the decimal before one digit from right side. Okay, like this. See another example, 1.2 into 3. 1.2 into 3, multiply this two. So again we have to multiply and the digits of this decimal number by this number. 2 into 2, 6, 3. Okay, and here is the decimal point is before one digit from right side. So here also you have to put the decimal number before one digit, like this. Now see the case 2, multiplication of decimals by a decimal. Multiplication by a decimal number. See it. Here I also explain by some examples. Suppose 1.2 into 1.5. Suppose you have to multiply these two. Then how to multiply? We have to multiply these two numbers. Numbers without decimal. That means digit is 1 and 2, here 1 and 5. So we have to multiply first 12 into 15. We have to find the multiplication of 12 into 15. 12 into 15, we will find 180. First we have to multiply the digits. Now we have to see in each decimal number before how many digits the point is. That is, the point is before one digit from right side, and here is also the decimal point is before one digit from right side. So here we have to add here the numbers, how many digits before how many digits are point here. Here before one digit, here before one digit. So in the multiplication the point will be before two digits. Okay, I will explain again. Here is 1.2 into 1.5. First we have to multiply the digits 12 into 15. Okay, like this. Now write the multiplication. Now see before how many digits here multiplication point, and here also before how many digit point. Here is before one digit, here is before one digit. So we have to add 1, 1, 2. So here will be the decimal point before two digits. See another example. Suppose 1.1 into 1.50. 1.1 into 1.50. Here also we have to multiply. So before first multiply the digits. If we multiply the digits, this will be 1650. If we multiply 11 into 150, this digit 1650. Now see, here the decimal is before one digit and here is decimal before one digit from right side. Two digit. Now 1 and 2, 3. So here will be the decimal will be before 3 digit. So number of digit will be add in multiplication. Here is the decimal again. See here is the decimal before one digit and here is decimal before two digit. So in the multiplication, the decimal will be before 3 digit from right side. Okay. So if we multiply two decimal number on the multiplication, the decimal point will be before the number of digits as many as digits here after point. Now in the third case, in multiplication, in third case, multiplication by 10, 100, 1000, etc. That means multiplication by 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 like this. Now see one example. Suppose 3.5. 3.5 into 10. If we multiply 3.5 into 10, what will be the answer? That if we multiply by 10, there is in 10, there is 1 0 after 1 over 1. So here will be multiplication will be 3 5. Okay. Now see if we multiply the same number. If we multiply the same number by 100, 3.5, here will be 350. That means if we multiply by 10, 100 or 1000, the decimal number will transfer to the right side. And how many places will go to the right side? And the number of 0 over 1. There are 10, 1 0, therefore 335 will. And then 3.5 into 100, 350. Like this. Okay. You want to say another example? Suppose 1.25 into 10. Okay. Another example, if we multiply 1.25 into 10, the answer will be 12.5. So the decimal will transfer to the right side in one place. If we multiply by 100, we multiply by 100, 1 to 5. After 5 there will be decimals. You can give 0.0 and this equals to 1 to 5. Like this. If we multiply by 10, 100 and 1000 like this. Okay. Now we will do division. Now we will start division of decimals. Here also we will consider three cases. Case 1, division by 10, 100, 1000. In division, in first case, we will consider division by 10, 100 and 1000. And I will explain some example. See here, first example. Suppose 12.5 and we have to divide by that is 12.5 and we have to divide by 10. So in division by 10, 100 and 1000, opposite of multiplication by 10, 100 and 1000. So in division, the point will transfer to the left side, this side. 1.25. Okay. By division of 10, 100 on 10, the decimal will transfer to the left side. By how many places? The number of 0 over 1. That is 10, 1, 0. That means points will transfer to 1 digit to the left side. Now see 12.5, same number by 100. If we divide by 100, add as to 0 over 1. So decimal point will transfer 2 digit left side. Therefore, that will be 0.125. There is no digit before point, we can put 0. If we divide the same number by 1000, if we divide this by 1000, in 1000 there are 3 digits, 0 over 1. So decimal point will transfer 3 places to the right left side. So here will be, but that is before point here is just 2 digits. So we have to put another extra 0. 1, 2, 5, and we can put here as 0 like this. So in division by 10, 100 and 1000, the point, decimal point will transfer to the right side, but how many places? The number of 0 over 1. Okay? Now we will consider second case. Second case, division by whole number. Division by whole number. See here some example. Suppose 6.4 divide 4. So first see here 6.4 by 4. Now how to do? See here 6.4 we can write 64 by 10. Okay, and that is 4. We had this after point 1 digit, so we can write 64 by 10. Now we have to divide this. Now we have to divide these numbers by 4, by this whole number. If we divide this, there will be 32. That means this comes 32 by 10. Now divide by 10. 32 by divide by 10. Here will be 3.2. Since the decimal point will come to the left side, there is 10 over 1. Decimal will be 3.2. Okay. Similar example. See another example. See another example. Suppose 7.5 by 17.5 divide 5. How to divide? 17.5 we can write 175 by 10 and divide 5 equals to 1 by 5. So first we have to divide this number by this whole number 5. Then we have to divide by 10. So similarly here we have to divide 175 by 35 by 10. So answer will be 3.5. So like this, by whole number, first we have to divide this number by this whole number, then we have to put the divide by 10, that means we have to divide by the point. Now we will consider the third case. And the third case is division by decimals. Division by decimals. Here also I will explain by example. Example 1. Suppose we have to divide 6.4 divide 6.4 divide 6 we will divide 7.2 by 1.2. Okay, now how to divide? You know that 7.2 we can write 72 by 10, and division 1 by 2 we can divide, write 12 by 10. Now see here, here we can write, here is division, therefore 10 by, we can multiply 10 by 12. Okay. Now see here, in multiplication, that is we can this 10, now just divide by 6. See here, this is not a decimal number, this is a whole number. So here also you can see that if we divide a decimal number in division and in decimal number by decimal number, if that here also the decimal number before one digit, here also decimal number before one digit. In division, in both of these, if the decimal point is before the same digit, we can omit the decimal number like this. If here were 2 digit after point and here also 2 digit after point, then like this here will be 100, 100 will cut. Therefore, the division will be just a whole number. So by decimal number, we will see another example. Okay. See another example. Divide 62.5 divide 1.50. Now how will divide it? So we can write 625 by 10, and this we can write 1.50, we can write 150 by 100. Now see, this division 150 by 100, therefore we can write multiplication 100 by 150. Now we have to calculate. See here, we can divide, if we divide 100 by 10, here will be 10. Okay. If we divide this, now just multiply this 6250, and here is in division 150. So if we divide 150, there will be, divide this 4 point. Okay. So there will be be decimal numbers. So in division by decimals, first we have to convert this into fraction, then we have to divide. Okay, so today this is enough, and there will be another class on this chapter. So stay home and stay safe. Thank you.